Why are there so less participants? Only 19. I won't start the class until it gets at least 25. I won't take the class until it is 25. CR? CR? Pranav?
Sir, Pranav is absent.
So anyone take the initiative and make at least 25 participants. Otherwise, I won't take the class. फोन करो दोस्तों को और बोलो ज्वाइन करने के लिए. So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. So today we will do 1 minute. One second. So today we will do extempore. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is extempore? Does anyone know what is extempore?
Sir, one who speaks directly without any preparation, kind of, sir.
Okay,
The
good.
topic is even one can speak without any preparation.
Okay. So extempore, as Rishabh, I think, your name was Karan. As Karan has told, to speak on a topic without any preparation. Okay. So you will be given a topic and you will be asked to speak about the topic instantly. Okay. So this is called extempore. So why do we need extempore? Okay. So imagine a situation where a highly skilled job aspirants are sitting for their personal interview, but due to low confidence and lacking speech practices, they are not able to impress the board of directors. Okay, so imagine you have gone for a job interview, and how will they the board of directors, how will they check their uh, speaking capability or your presence of mind? That is through extempore. Okay, so not being able to collate your point in a constructive way can create a negative impression. This is where extempore comes in place. Okay, so as a business professional, engaging in an effective conversation shows your personality and confidence. Thus, it becomes essential to work upon your communication skills that basically we will do in this class. Okay. So if you're planning to pursue business or management courses or in fact engineering courses, okay. So then here is a blog I have copied from a blog. So here is a blog that collects a list of example topics which you can practice. Okay. Now, so why extempore? Means why does electrical engineers need extempore? Right? This is for English-speaking people or those who are pursuing English honors. They should practice extempore, right? So why do you need? Means why, as an electrical engineer, we need extempore? Can you give a situation where this ability will be utilized? Anyone?
So in interviews as well as in certain kind of events, when one have to
Uh,
speak on a certain topic without any preparation. For
Yes,
an instance, sir, any seminars or something, sir.
okay, but I am speaking, means I am asking you about the, a job point of view. Means if you go for a job, how will this practice of extempore will enhance your skill during your job?
Sir, we may consider a situation in which any accidental event occurs. Then, at that time, sir, our only extempore thought of mind works. That's because,
Exactly.
sir, extempore is very necessary for every.
Good, very good. So suddenly an incident happened, okay, and you are asked to cover up for the incident, okay. Let there be any accident. So how will means जो हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं मतलब कैसे उसको क्या बोले मतलब थोड़ा सा स्किलफुली उसको कैसे आंसर दिया जाए, ठीक है, ताकि
Yes, sir. Basically, situation handling बोल सकते हैं, sir.
सिचुएशन हैंडलिंग, गुड, सिचुएशन हैंडलिंग हम लोग कर सके, ठीक है. So top electrical companies nowadays are widely including extempore as an integral part of the selection process because of its impromptu nature that majorly take candidate out of their comfort zone. ठीक है, मतलब हम लोग अब क्या करते हैं, अभी तक लिखते आए हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद हम लोग को सोचने का टाइम मिला होगा. So that was a comfort zone, but how to instantly say on a topic, this we will learn, and this can only be learned through interaction. Okay, so this allows the administration to test and analyze the candidate's presence of mind. Very important, presence of mind means तुरंत तुम कैसे आंसर दोगे, ठीक है, तुरंत तुम कैसे उस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करोगे. Okay, thought process, of course, speaking skills, presenting the idea in a time bound atmosphere that is full of pressure. ठीक है, जब कोई इंसिडेंट होगा तुमको ऐसा नहीं है कि तुमको 1 घंटा दिया जाए कि तुम सोच के बताओ, नहीं, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तुम 1 घंटा लेक्चर दो, नहीं, तुमको 5 मिनट में समझाना है और तुमको शॉर्ट एंड कॉम्पैक्ट वे में समझाना है, ठीक है. स्पीकिंग स्टाइल, accuracy of ideas and good content. Okay, so this is it. Today we will practice extempore on some topics. So I will give one topic and you have to say, ठीक है? कोई शर्माना मत, कोई हिचकिचाना मत, जितना आता है उतना ही बोलो तुम लोग, ठीक है? बिकॉज अनटिल एंड अनलेस यू प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है, ये डेवलप नहीं होगा, एक दिन में ये डेवलप नहीं होता, ठीक है? यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड यू हैव टू डेवलप द कॉन्फिडेंस। वो कॉन्फिडेंस कब आएगा? जब तुम लोग और मतलब बाकी लोगों के सामने बोल रहे हो। अभी तो ऑनलाइन है, अभी तो फेस नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, तो इट इज नॉट फुली इफेक्टिव। लेकिन जब ऑफलाइन होगा, जब तुम लोग एटलीस्ट 50 लोगों मतलब अपने दोस्त लोगों के सामने पहले बार बोलोगे, so you will develop confidence. Okay, gradually you will develop confidence. Okay, so the first topic is let's say who will be the first one to say? बोलो, पहले कौन बताएगा? करण?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm outside my home, sir, so there can be noise and distractions, sir. Even though,
No
sir, I will
problem.
try.
No problem.
Okay, sir.
So you will speak only 2 minutes, okay? So you speak about,
All right, sir. I'll try.
okay, you speak about Me Too movement. You can take 30 seconds.
Okay, sir.
After 30
Me
seconds.
Too. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Me Too movement basically, sir, empowers women and women's safety in particular, sir. So it basically enhances that women can express their thought whenever they have gone through certain kind of abusive misbehavior or something. So they can express their thought to people by accepting that me too means I have also been addicted of this. I think so. This one where I have heard of this, so
Okay,
that
but-
people can be aware of this and we can reduce the misbehavior and all this.
Okay, good, very good. Very good, but avoid using sir in between, okay?
So can you speak? Can you
Avoid,
repeat it? What you said?
avoid repeating sir in between.
Okay, sir. So basically, I'm walking. I'm outside my home, so it's difficult to think at the same time and to speak, sir. That's
Okay,
why.
okay. हम लोग का खुशकिस्मती है कि आप चल चल के भी हम लोग का आंसर दे रहे हैं. Thank you. Why is the participant list decreasing? Again, when it will 25, I will stop the class. Okay. So next who will come? कौन बताएगा? बोलो. Come, take it sportively. Okay, Shubham Kumar. Shubham Kumar, you speak about Article 370. You may take 30 seconds.
Sir, Article 370 basically related to the Jammu and Kashmir, which was state of Union Territory of India. Sir, basically this Article 370 proposed to our Constitution about in 1947. Actually, I don't remember the exact date, but it was
Not a
that
problem.
time in
Okay.
which Dr. Raja Hari Singh, the king of the Jammu Kashmir, Raja Hari Singh, submitted the documents of Jammu Kashmir when the Jammu Kashmir is. Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
Of course, speak.
सर जम्मू कश्मीर धारा 370 आर्टिकल 370 जो है हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर से रिलेटेड है, जो जब जम्मू कश्मीर को सम्मिलित हुआ था हमारे भारत में, उस समय से रिलेटेड था। सर जब पाकिस्तान जो है आक्रमण करा था जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में उसको ऑक्यूपाई करने के लिए, तो उस समय राजा हरि सिंह जो वहाँ के किंग थे उस समय, उन्होंने जो है इंडिया के साथ एक समझौता किया कि हम जो है एक अलग राज्य रहेंगे बाकी आपके राज्य की तुलना में, लेकिन हमारा जो एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स है वो आप डील करेंगे, यानी कि भारत सरकार डील करेगी। यहाँ हमारा अपना स्वतंत्रता रहेगा, यहाँ हमारा एक अपना झंडा रहेगा, ये भारत का एक हिस्सा रहेगा, लेकिन यहाँ का जो कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज है, यहाँ का अपना झंडा रहेगा, लोग का यहाँ अपना विशिष्ट अधिकार रहेगा, एक स्पेशल कैटेगरी में इसको रखा जाएगा। तभी से सर ये 370 को रखा गया। अभी फिलहाल हाल ही में शायद 5 अगस्त 2019 को जो अभी के जो यूनियन मिनिस्टर हैं डॉक्टर अमित शाह जी, उन्होंने धारा 370 को खत्म कर दिया है। अभी जो है हमारा जो है वो एक यूनियन टेरिटरी से है। ओके
Okay, very good,
Okay,
Shubham.
sir, thank
But next time try to speak in English, okay? जैसे कॉन्फिडेंटली तुम हिंदी में बोले हो वैसे ही कॉन्फिडेंटली इंग्लिश में बोलने की कोशिश करो, ठीक है? वेरी
yes
गुड।
sir, but I was
अब-
feeling sir deficiency of words in English sir, that's
नहीं
why I
नहीं,
switched
हाँ
to
तो
Hindi
ठीक
sir.
है, ये डेफिशिएंसी कब आए, मतलब कब दूर होगा? जब तुम बोलते रहोगे, ये एक दिन में डेफिशिएंसी नहीं चला जाएगा, ठीक है?
Yes
तुम
sir.
बोलते रहोगे, क्लास में प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे, तो ही ये धीरे धीरे ये मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस आना, क्योंकि हिंदी भी हम लोग एक दिन में थोड़ी सीखे हैं, नहीं सीखे हैं ना, धीरे
Yes sir, yes sir.
धीरे हम लोग ने ग्रैस्प किया है। So until and
Yes
unless
sir.
you speak a language, okay, ठीक है, thank you Shubham.
Yes sir,
Now,
I will definitely try my level best sir.
okay, thank you. So next participant, कौन आना चाहता है? Next one. Next one. Okay, let me give the topic first. Make in India. Next topic. Make in India. जो बोलना चाहता है हाथ खड़ा करो, मीन्स रेज योर हैंड। Anyone? Make in India. Come on, you have to tell me. Okay, since no one is okay, Mohammed Shahbaz Ansari. Mohammed Shahbaz Ansari, please tell.
Make in India movement, sir, basically started by the government of India, sir, to encourage to increase the employment levels sir, of India.
Very good.
To Make in India movement, through this government tell our Indian people to manufacture the product in India only, so that the Indian people get job.
Okay. So is it successful now?
Yes, sir, it is successful, sir, because many people are living their lives through this. Many industries have opened.
Okay, very good, Mohammed Shahbaz Ansari. Okay, so next topic is social media is making us antisocial. Social media is making us antisocial. Social media is making us antisocial. Anyone?
Yes, sir. So
No, no,
basically,
तुम नहीं.
social media.
No, Karan, you have already told. Let others. Those who have told you initially, you don't answer. Let others answer. Okay. Anyone? Those who have not spoken. If nobody comes, I have to assign arbitrarily. Anyone? Okay. So Nisha Marandi. Nisha Marandi. Nisha Marandi. Nisha Mar. Please speak about
Yes, sir.
how social media is making us antisocial.
Social media making us anti-social by nowadays social media. Social things that that are happening in our real life, and so involving. Excuse me, sir. Sorry.
Nisha, I think your network is
Sir,
not.
hello.
Now it's audible.
Sir, nowadays they're involving in social media and uh, especially in Facebook, Instagram, uh, that we so that so we uh, and
Nisha, I think there is problem with your network, so you are not audible.
network issue.
Okay,
Hello.
no problem. No problem. Okay, thank you, Nisha. So Komal Kumari, please continue. Komal Kumari. Komal Kumari. Komal Kumari. Komal Kumari, please respond. Komal Kumari, please respond. So Komal Kumari is, I think she's busy, so no need to do the class.
Uh, sir, actually, Komal has some problems in hearing, sir. Maybe he was not able to hear.
Okay, fine. So next, Saurabh Kumar EE42, please continue. Saurabh Kumar EE42. Saurabh Kumar EE42. Please continue. Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar also has hearing issues or what? So since Saurabh Kumar is not responding, I am removing him. Okay, Richika Singh. Richika Singh,
Yes, sir.
please respond. I mean, please tell why. What was the
Yes, sir.
topic?
Sir, social media is making us antisocial. It causes people less time spent with in real life with real people, except online friends, and it also gives sometimes stress, anxiety because of not getting too much likes or followers. So sometimes uh, youth like us are feels lonely. So
Hmm.
it's
Okay. Okay.
sorry, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Since remaining time is only 2 minutes 38 seconds, so please rejoin. Rejoin everyone.